Okay. Yeah. So this one is the Delta MS, and this one is the DPM. Okay, so this is for a cast and oversight, and this is for basement works. Okay, thank you. But this one is very expensive. Okay, okay. So
But this one covers more than this one. This one covers
this one covers more than
100 meters square.
100 meters square, and this one covers
20.
about 20 meters square. So in it, you can see this one is very expensive than this. Okay, thank you. Yes, this is the floor, well compacted. You can see it's very smooth, no stone appearance, so even it doesn't need the sun blinding looking at it. Yes, well compacted in a smoother way. Secondly, the pipes are here. We've even started cutting already. Let's start the test so you can see if it pressure. Hmm. Okay, step on it. Go to the middle, step on it. Let's see if it will bend. Is it bending?
No.
Okay. Maybe some might say this, and so come to the edge. Come to the edge. Is it bending?
No.
Okay. So these are the pipe, the pressure pipe we are talking of. We don't use waste lines and doing this work because it will give problem. We ourselves it will give problem where we come back no, but we don't work and come back to be facing things no. It's make work expensive when it's that. So we choose we choose the right material for what it deserves to be done. Thank you. This is the initial plumbing arrangement. This is the far side, the kitchen, preparing the washing machine here. Yeah, and this side. They are all here. Everything is done now. Yeah, so that's where we are. Board, cement, everything is in place. Waiting for the go to start. That's all to cast. Then we can have a platform here where we arrange for the superstructure. So that's what we have now. We are on the plumbing work. This is the kitchen area. The outside the WCs are done. We are done with the WC works over here. We are at the kitchen. Then we move to the other side too. So by the close of the day, plumbing work off, everything is set. Iron rod have been tied in. I'll get there and give you a video of it. We have our sandstone. All is left with the damp-proof membrane, which we are yet to confirm either it will come for tomorrow for job to concrete casting to commence. So that is what is left now. That is our main major lesson. Mr. Kwete will be bringing cement this evening. So everything is set now. Thank you.
So that was Engineer Sammy for you, taking us through the phase 1 plumbing work of this 2-bedroom apartment, which we are building for one of our subscribers here from the channel. So fast forward, concrete casting begins, and we have Pele behind, this project, who is one of our builders here that we have on the channel. At the same time, he is a quantity surveyor. So Pele will be leading us from here, and he will be explaining, one or two things as we continue with this project. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, welcome once again to the East Legon Hills project. This is where we've got into. Today we are casting the concrete, the oversized concrete. And before we did that, we laid this polythene sheet all over before we started casting the concrete. As we said in some of our previous videos, that this area demands a level of protection of the dampness. Yes, we did the bitumen and the block inside and outside, and as we said, before we do the oversized concrete, we'll be laying a polythene sheet on top of the ceiling before we do the oversized concrete. So this is it. This is what we've got into so far. As you can see, these are the step downs in the area, and this are the step downs. So this is it beyond it. So this is the East Legon Hills project. See, as we said in our previous videos, that we will be doing 3 levels of preventing dampness. That's the bitumen and the laying of the polythene sheet. This is a special polythene sheet. Now we know the notice. As you can see, the color and the texture is different. It's even different from the normal one that they use in the market. This is a bit thicker, and this is the reinforcement we put around it to prevent cracks. These ground beams we put on it. Then this is the concrete work ongoing. We started yesterday. You can see from the far end. We were not able to finish yesterday, so we continue today. And this is what is going on currently. This is what is going on currently. We are almost done. We are late. Hard work is going on. So this is it. So when you come here, these are the step downs in the area. This is a balcony. When you come here, this is the WC or the washroom areas. Washroom areas, they are also step down. Then that end is the bedroom. We have another bedroom back here. So as we start raising the blocks, then you see what is going on very well. So this is it. Concrete casting is ongoing. So this is the final phase of oversight concrete. This is the final work completed. Far end is the washroom area. So those are the pipe works. You can see in the video. That is it. And this side too is the bitumen emulsion. As we said, on this side we are doing 3 levels of dampness prevention. So this was the first one we did. That's the bitumen emulsion, the black one. And this is the damp-proof membrane. This is our new discovery. It is 300 MU, 300 macro units thick. This is quality and it's heavier than the normal one we use on site. So this is what we are doing here. As we said, we'll be on this site, we'll be doing 3 levels of preventing dampness. 3 levels. So the bitumen is the first one, and the polythene sheet is the second one. Then on top of the oversight concrete, that's where we'll be laying the damp-proof course before we do the block work. So the damp-proof course will be on the oversight, and the block will be laid on it. So this is what we have at the East Legon Hills project. Oversight work is complete, ready to take off with the block work. This is it. Thank you for your attention.
So if you've been with us from day one, you appreciate, the work being done here so far, how we started and how far we've come in a short possible time. Even though we didn't rush the project, we took it step by step. And if it's your first time seeing this project, if you go to my playlist, it's called the East Legon Hills project or apartment. You will see the playlist there. You can start from the beginning and then you can come back and see the difference and how far we've come with this project. So next episode, which is going to be episode 7, is going to be about block works. So if you want to see the layout of this 2-bedroom apartment, then you have to subscribe to the channel so that you can follow this journey. We also have other projects that we started and we are moving gradually. So I think this will bring us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get do it.